जल्दी शादी कर लेनी चाहिए, फिर बाद में अच्छे लड़के नहीं मिलते हैं, you date all the wrong people, which is what I did. But no regrets. Why to force yourself into a marriage? What if I never find love again? When will I wear this lehenga and when will I put this makeup? Hi guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel, and this is a heart-to-heart chat. One of those videos that I love doing here. It's called What It's Like to Be 30 and Single in India. So I'm going to dive straight into the video. ज़्यादा इधर-उधर की बातें किए बिना. So if you ask me personally what it's like to be 33 and single, I'm 33 right now. It's like being single at any other age, to be honest, to be very honest. हल्का फुल्का difference है, which I'll come to in a bit, but I don't feel any different. I feel like how I used to feel at maybe a 28, 29. But इस सवाल का जवाब मैं इसीलिए दे रही हूँ क्योंकि जब मैं अपने DMs पढ़ती हूँ या जब मैं अपने YouTube पे कभी भी Q&A रखती हूँ, and the number of questions that I get from you girls or guys, especially about शादी कब कर रही हो, why you still not married, when are you going to get married, you know you're 30 and still not married, aren't you worried, isn't it too late for you, what do you think about it? And एक question तो मुझे categorically याद है Q&A में आया था, does it get difficult to be single above the age of 28 years? And I was like, wow, like it's not that different or that difficult, guys, to be honest. So yeah, whenever I read these things, I'm like, मुझे तब I have to stop, pause and think that is it that different? मतलब इतना कुछ हो जाता है क्या? क्योंकि मुझे तो feel नहीं हो रहा है. But then I have to acknowledge this, and I fully am aware that I'm privileged that I come from a family जहाँ पर मुझे रोज एवरी नाउ एंड देन शादी के लिए परेशान नहीं किया जाता. मेरे माँ बाप मेरे सर पे नहीं बैठे हुए कि शादी करो. मेरी शादी उनके लाइफ का सोलो एजेंडा नहीं है, एंड थैंक गॉड फॉर दैट. आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड फॉर दैट. सो या माई पेरेंट्स हैवंट प्रेशराइज मी टिल डेट. आई एम 33, अभी भी दे डोंट. मेरी जो एक्सटेंडेड रिलेटिव्स भी है, दोनों मम्मी के साइड के, पापा के साइड के, दे आर वेरी चिल. दे बिलीव इन लिव एंड लेट लिव. तो अपनी जिंदगी जीते, हमें जीने देते हैं. तो आई डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ stuff happening in my life, and I get it. I know a lot of girls go through this intense amount of stress, which I think is so unfair and ridiculous. So I thought I'll come here and share with you what my experience has been like to be single in my 30s. So even when मेरे immediate surroundings में constantly शादी की बातें या 25 में शादी, 30 में बच्चे, ये सारी बातें नहीं होती है, I have to say this. हम लोगों की जो सोसाइटल कंडीशनिंग है ना, जो बड़े होते वक्त हमारी कंडीशनिंग हुई है, जो चीज़ें हमने अपने आसपास सुनी है और जिसके साथ बड़े हुए हैं, वो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है दैट समवेयर इवन व्हेन आई एम हैप्पी एंड एट पीस विद वेयर आई एम इन माई लाइफ राइट नाउ, समवेयर इट डज अफेक्ट मी ऑल्सो टू सम एक्सटेंट. एंड आई विल टेल यू हाउ. I think it started affecting me, like not having a partner or not being anywhere close to getting married. Looking back, I think it actually started taking a toll on me when I was like, 28, 29, approaching towards 30. तो वो एक एज होती है जब आई फील ऐसे वाले थॉट्स तुम्हें आते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा लाइफ में लगता था when I was in my teens कि 30 तक तो मैं शादी कर लूंगी, 32 तक मेरा पहला बच्चा हो जाएगा. ये मैंने प्लानिंग कर ली थी at 15 years of age. So when I was 29 and I still hadn't found even a boyfriend, I was like, what is happening? Our plans are not falling in place. And उसके अलावा 30 को हमारी सोसाइटी ने जो हवा बना के रखा है ना, लाइक जैसे तुम 30 की हो जाओ तो अगले दिन तुम्हारी सारी लाइफ should be on track. Like there's so much pressure about turning 30, to be honest, and that's what I was going through then. Now when I look back and I realize कि oh I'm going to be 30 and nothing is in place, तो वो सब मेरे दिमाग में thoughts चल रहे थे. And to be honest, now that I'm 33, I'm like so stupid, that pressure was so unrealistic and uncalled for. बाकी सारी चीजें जो narratives हमने बचपन से सुने होते हैं, they also somewhere are so deep rooted in our minds ना. Like मैंने भी ये सारी चीजें सुनी थी बड़े होते वक्त. ज्यादा देर नहीं रुकना चाहिए शादी के लिए, जल्दी शादी कर लेनी चाहिए, फिर बाद में अच्छे लड़के नहीं मिलते हैं. Guys don't like older women, they prefer younger women. The older you get, the difficult it will be to adjust. You'll have to compromise on the kind of guy you'll find later in your life. So ये सारी चीजें जो हमें बताई जाती है, I think this kind of started playing with my head. And तब मैं अपने late 20s में भी थी. I think late 20s ना are a time of big life changes from what I've seen. My Mumbai friends were getting married. मेरे जो होम टाउन के फ्रेंड्स थे, स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, उनकी शादियाँ हो चुकी थी. They were delivering their first kids. Some friends were moving cities. Friends were leaving Mumbai. And when all these bigger changes are happening in your immediate circle with the friends you hang out with, and then you sit and wonder कि why am I behind on this? Like ठीक है मुझे शादी तो नहीं करनी immediately, but why am I not even finding a boyfriend? एंड आई फील जब तुम्हारे इमीडिएट सर्कल में ऐसे चेंजेस होते हैं ना, इट रियली अफेक्ट्स पीपल हु आर सिंगल. बिकॉज फॉर मी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, my friends were everything that, like, for me, I would go on dates and all, but for me it was more about hanging out with my friends, chilling with them, spending time with them. But when they are moving on to other stages in their life, their priorities change. They're not always available for you, you know, when you want to make plans. They're not there like before. So suddenly you feel like वो वाला जो time था मेरी life में, I used to feel very like lost and lonely also, because I was like, who should I hang out with now? You know, those kind of feelings happen. So yeah, for me also it was like, oh, everybody has their person, I also want my person. But if you had asked me then कि तुझे क्या चाहिए in a relationship, to be honest, I had zero clarity about what I wanted in a relationship, what I wanted in a guy, what were the, you know, ideal qualities of, you know, the partner that I look at, what are the मुझे कुछ clarity नहीं थी. I just wanted somebody. And to be honest, when you date from this place, date from the place of not having somebody and wanting somebody because, you know, you want to fill a spot in your life, you make all wrong decisions. You date all the wrong people, which is what I did back in the day, but no regrets, only learning. So वो phase था मेरी life में तब. But I think that was just a phase. Once I crossed that, once I passed that, then for me it was just like, you know, being single at any other age, to be honest. It wasn't like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm getting old and I'm not finding anybody. Of course, every once in a while there are days where I wake up panicking that, oh my god, I've still not found anybody. What if I'm single all my life? You know, what if I never find a partner? And what if I never find love again? इस तरह के ख्याल आते हैं दिमाग में, आते थे पहले भी और अभी भी every now and then आते हैं. And I think most single people go through these kind of thoughts every once in a while. So it's pretty normal, especially if you've been single for a while. So when they do come, I mean, I sit with myself, I reassure myself. That's what you can do. कभी कभार किसी friend के साथ share कर लिया, उनसे reassurance ले लिया. और कभी कभी ना मैं खुद के साथ ही बैठ के ऐसे backup plans बना रही होती हूँ दिमाग में कि यार अगर late शादी हो गई और pregnant नहीं हो पाई ना तो फिर adopt कर लूँगी या फिर you know कोई और तरीका देख लेंगे. ऐसे मैं backup plans बनाते रहती हूँ. And let's not even get to the part about what an interesting time this is to be on dating apps. तुम्हारे early 30s and the variety of men and the types of people that you meet. Because now you don't just find men who are single and who have been hurt too many times and are scared to commit. Now you'll also find the ones who are married और उनकी बीवियों को पता नहीं है. Then there are the ones who are married and बीवियों को पता है क्योंकि could be an open relationship. The freshly separated, the divorced, who will try to change your mind about marriages, how marriages suck and nobody should be married and then like human beings are not made for monogamy. बहुत types के conversations मेरे dating apps पे हो चुके हैं, ठीक है, लोगों के साथ. So you know you're meeting all kinds of people and most of them do not know what the fuck do they want. 1 minute silence for 18 or 20-year-olds who think 34 and 35-year-olds have their shit together. Nobody knows shit about what they're doing, okay, legit. But yeah man, when you constantly meet guys, you know, on apps or on dates, जो commitment से डरते हैं, जिन्हें अभी प्यार में विश्वास नहीं रहा, who've been hurt too many times, who've had broken marriages, जब तुम ऐसे लोगों को बार बार मिलते हो तुम्हारे दिमाग में ख्याल आता है कि यार what is happening? Why am I meeting these people? And you know, where are the men who believe in love and commitment and the old school kind of love, and will I even find that? But you know, here's something that I learned in the last 3 years, to be precise, that just because somebody has gotten married, just because somebody has found a life partner, does not mean their life is perfect और उनके life में इसके बाद कोई problem नहीं होगा. It's a happily ever after from here. That's the biggest myth. After somebody is married, they're going to have newer problems, they're going to have different problems, but there will always be problems to be solved in your life. और जो हम लोगों को जिस तरह से feed किया गया ना कि शादी कर ले सारे problems solve हो जाएंगे, the biggest lie, okay? And I've seen that happening around me. And एक और चीज़ मैंने इसलिए सीखी है क्योंकि you know in my early 30s I have seen some of my very close friends and बहुत लोगों को जिनको मैं पर्सनल लेवल पे जानती थी, उनके 30s में मैंने उनको सेपरेट होते हुए देखा, उनके लाइफ पार्टनर से, या डिवोर्स होते हुए उनके देखे हैं. And when you see something like that, when you see a very close friend of yours going through a divorce, इट मेक्स यू थिंक. लाइक एक टाइम पे मैं सोचती थी जब मैं 25 साल की थी और उनकी शादी बिल्कुल परफेक्ट एज में हुई थी, यू नो, दे गॉट मैरिड एट द राइट टाइम एंड गॉट हैड अ किड एट द राइट टाइम, डूइंग वेरी वेल पेइंग जॉब्स, यूज्ड टू डू वेरी फैंसी वेकेशंस, एंड आई यूज्ड टू लुक एट देयर लाइफ एंड थिंक व्हाट अ परफेक्ट लाइफ मैन. बट सिटिंग आउटसाइड यू कैन नॉट गेज किसी और के लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, उनके लाइफ में कैसे प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं. तुम्हें दूर से कुछ नहीं पता. जो तुम उनकी जिंदगी देखते हो, जो तुम्हें परफेक्ट लगती है, वो सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे तुम देख रहे हो. यू हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन देयर लाइफ. एंड अनदर थिंग आई फील आफ्टर सीइंग ऑल दिस इज what is the fuss about getting married at the right time, right? जब तुम ये चीज़ें देखते हो तुमको लगता है कि क्या फ़ायदा है सही वक्त पे भी शादी करने का, because to be honest there are no guarantees. And when I see these people, I know that they'll have to start their love life at least from scratch in their mid-30s. तो देन व्हाट्स द बिग डील? क्यों इतनी जल्दी करनी है पेरेंट्स को कि नहीं नहीं 25 के हो गए, अरेंज मैरिज करो, लड़का ढूंढ के लाओ, नहीं पसंद है फिर भी शादी करो क्योंकि 26-27 बहुत लेट हो जाएगा, कोई मिलेगा नहीं. Like now I feel why to force yourself into a marriage that might fall apart few years later? Why not wait for the right person for you, जिसके साथ तुम्हें एक्चुअली टाइम स्पेंड करने का मन करता है, जिसके साथ तुम्हें लगेगा कि हाँ एक दूसरे को कर लेंगे बर्दाश्त जिंदगी भर. Why not wait for that person even if it's in your mid-30s or late 30s or 40s? That's what I've started feeling about these things now, man. So one thing I've fully understood is you cannot compare your life to another person. I have fully stopped doing this क्योंकि तुम्हारी और उनकी लाइफ का पाथ बहुत यूनिक है. तुम्हारी और उनकी लाइफ सेम रही नहीं है शुरुआत से. यू डिडंट स्टडी द सेम थिंग्स, यू डिडंट डू द सेम जॉब्स. हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट एवरीथिंग टू बी लाइक देम, राइट? और कोई जरूरी नहीं कि किसी शादी 25 में हुई तो दे हैव द परफेक्ट लाइफ एंड यू आर सिंगल टिल 45, so you won't. To be honest, somebody who gets married at 25 might get divorced in 5 years and be single all their life, and somebody else could find the greatest love story of their life at 45, 50 and live with them till 90. You never know. All I'm saying is you never know what happens in life. So एक तो comparison makes no sense. It's something that I've understood. And another thing that I've understood is things will come to you on your timeline. And हर एक की एक unique timeline होती है. तुम उसमें तुम अचीव करोगे, तुम पैसे कमाओगे, तुम्हें जो मिलना है लाइफ में वो तुम्हें मिलके रहेगा. It will happen, but it will happen to you on your timeline. So no use sitting and crying कि oh my god मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स की शादी हो गई, oh उनके बच्चे भी पैदा हो रहे हैं but I haven't. Does not matter. And for those of you जो अपने 20s में और इस वक्त Instagram scroll करके every now and then you see pre-wedding shoots of your friends, you see honeymoon reels and photos and videos and stories of your friends. I know a lot of you girls are in that place. You're sitting and dreaming कि when will I wear this lehenga and when will I put this makeup? Let me tell you, 7-8 years fast forward when I am in my life क्या होता है. I can't tell you the number of my married friends who tell me don't get married. Yeah, and till a point of time it was a joke, but now they don't even say it like a joke. They are serious. They're dead serious when they're telling me, Aarti, don't get married. You have no idea what a life you're living. You have no idea. And मैं उनको ये हंसी मजाक चलता है हमारे बीच में. मैं ना उनको से गालियाँ देती हूँ. मैं कहती हूँ सालो कमीनो, तुम लोगों ने अपनी सही टाइम पे कर लिया. Now you don't want me to get married even now. And they're like, no, we are literally telling you for your good. All of them tell me marriages are overrated. और ये चीज़ मुझे सिर्फ मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने, मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बहुत पहले बता दी थी लाइफ में कि marriages are overrated. एक लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढना is not the be all and end all of your life. There are a lot more things which are as important or more important than just finding a partner and just being married. ये thank God for my parents to tell me this very early in my life. A lot of my friends tell me now that if given a chance maybe I wouldn't have gotten married. वो तो एक एज थी, करनी पड़ गई या माँ बाप ने बोला करना पड़ गया. पर अगर मेरे पास चॉइस होता तो मैं शायद लिव इन ही करती या लिव इन ही करता. बिकॉज टू बी ऑनेस्ट लाइक marriages feel all rosy and dreamy but they are a lot of work. So जब तक तुम अंदर से mentally fully ready नहीं हो to put in that work, do that work every single day with your life partner, so it's a lot of that, man. और अगर तुमने शादी सही reasons की वजह से नहीं की, अगर तुमने अपने आप को force कर दिया एक शादी में just because your parents wanted you to get married or just because you were supposed to get married by a certain age, you've not even met the guy properly, उसको अच्छे से जाना पहचाना भी नहीं और शादी कर दिया, तो it's like a recipe for disaster. And now when I see this side of a marriage, अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I am okay, being single and I'm okay with waiting for that person who is meant for me, जिसके साथ I will really get along, जिसके साथ I will have that feeling that I want to spend my life with this person, rather than rushing into something just because I'm supposed to be married by this age or just because I'm in my 30s and it's too late and when will I be married. So that's where I stand on marriages and relationships and love at this point. And that was it for this heart to heart chat. I hope you girls related to this video. अगर तुम्हें पसंद आया तो do hit the like button, comment करके मुझे बताओ how did you like it and share it with your girlfriends who would relate to this video. And this was just one video of me talking about my love and dating life as a single woman in India. But मैंने एक पूरा podcast इसके बारे में बनाया हुआ है which is going to come out very soon, where me and other single people have gotten together और हम लोगों ने अपने लव एंड डेटिंग लाइफ की बातें की है. सो इफ दैट वुड इंटरेस्ट यू, कंसिडर हिटिंग द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड द बेल आइकॉन, ताकि जब भी वो फ्यूचर में आए, जब भी मैं उसकी और बातें करूँ उस चैनल पे, तुम्हें उस वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिले. सो या, आई एम गोना गो नाउ एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस रियल सून. यू टेक केयर, बाय बाय.